What is going on, you guys? This is Tag Team Apache here, and today you're watching some gameplay of a game that was in 20 degrees of weather and about 8 inches of snow on the ground. It was pretty heavy, and for this game, I kind of just ran around filming everybody, seeing what was up, seeing what was going on. This team that you're watching right here is blue team, which is defending, and red team is on the offensive.
Woo! That one's for my nose hairs.
Basically, to get you guys in the gist of everything, blue team is defending against red team. Red team is trying to pull this bomb, which is along the string, and if the string breaks or they can't push it a certain distance, red team loses. So blue team is just defending against that, and if you watch the montage, that crate that the guy's carrying, that's the bomb that they're trying to get across the map. And they have to keep it on the string, so it adds a little bit of extra intensity, extra fighting, and just makes it a whole lot harder than just a carry around bomb game. Hi there. I got you.
Alright, Martin, let's do this. Let's push different sides. I'll push right, you push left. Ready? Let's go. Get the box out here. Nice job, Miles. I just heard Miles out. I was like, okay. Hey guys, bring that box up. You need a dead rag?
Huh?
Don't you say you need a dead rag?
Yeah, I got one on my head.
You want one for your hand? I got two.
So right here, he gives me an extra dead rag. I'm already wearing one on my head, but some people are still shooting me quite a bit, so he gives me one to hold up in my hand.
Yeah, come on. Yeah. Woo! Come on. Big cluster of trees. Yep. Alright.
Oh, sorry.
Yo! Here, hold this one. Jared! What's the status on the box? We're moving it. Where are you at? Shit. Alright. Sorry to shoot you close, man.
Oh, you're fine. My battery died. So,
We got a guy center building!
Watch your front flag. Stay your building.
I got you, Jared! Hard left! Left back! Jared! You're on the left hill! What, can you keep an eye on that left hill? You see what's dropping on it? Watch the left hill! Left hill! Ah, hit! Nice shot! Hey.
As you can see, that guy just got taken out. He had a really good run. It was really nice following him, and also this other guy with the G33. This shack is just getting rained on by BBs, and I am getting hit by some BBs that are bouncing off, but it's not super bad. And this guy ends up going back too.
Yeah, don't look tactical. Watkins! Yo, Jared, hustle up! I need some support! Are they way out there in the tree line? Yeah. Oh. Dude, Watkins speedler stuck. Whoa, man. Where the hell did he come from? Jared, drop me mag. get to that house. You're on my line. Yeah. Keep going. Careful, not too tight. Oh. Good. I got it again. Oh, hit. Alright. You got hit. Next one, big guy. That guy. You did good, but now you're dead, so get lost. Dude, hurry up. Anybody can move it. We're in. Oh, hit. Yeah. Right there. See that? There's still a guy at the corpse right there. There's guys on that side. Yeah, I see him. You only got 3 minutes. Yeah. You're moving pretty fucking far. You got about 30 seconds left. Alright, let's go on the other side. Come on. I'm looking wild. Yeah. Alright, come on, push up.
Alright, Airsofters, thanks for watching this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. This footage right here is me on blue team going on the offensive to get to the bomb farther out there. If you guys want to see that gameplay, definitely let us know. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys.
I need you to push up.